Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to open Microsoft Edge in safe mode or in private browsing. I don't know, is known as something like Incognito, right? So how do you do that? You want to go ahead and first open up your Edge browser. So I'm going to open up my Microsoft Edge browser here. And once this browser is open, you want to click the three dots on the upper right hand side. And here you'll find new in private window. This is a safe mode option, let's say for the Microsoft Edge. So once you click on this, you will see that Microsoft Edge reloads, right? And it's also opening in a new window. So if you hover over the Microsoft Edge on your taskbar here, you will see that you have the normal view and there's a new window open in the in private window, right? Or in private browsing. This is a safe mode. So if you're looking for how to open up Microsoft Edge in safe mode or in private mode or in private window, right? This is how you do it. You can go ahead and you can start browsing the web using this window here. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.